Let's talk about the practical aspects of this class. The objectives of the course include introducing you to philosophical thinking and writing, especially as it's applied to the topics of minds and cognition. Introducing and developing your skills at reading philosophical texts and evaluating philosophical ideas. And developing your skills for communicating about philosophical ideas, especially by clear analytic writing. Although I'll be presenting historical and social context for our discussions, I will not be quizzing you on the dates and titles of great works or the lives of famous philosophers. Instead, I'll be evaluating you on your understanding and application of various ideas and concepts, and that will require that you learn and master a variety of terms and expressions. The special vocabulary of philosophy is not important for its own sake, and it's not the kind of thing you should try to memorize from a list. The vocabulary is a tool that you'll learn to use to think and communicate clearly and precisely about complicated and nuanced ideas. The vocabulary and the history are tools for learning and thinking, and you'll come to master the tools by practicing with them. If at the end of the class you know Ada Lovelace's birthday, but not the ideas for which she's famous, then something's gone wrong. This course is divided into modules, and each module is designed to take 1 to 3 weeks of study. The course schedule sets out the modules in more detail, and I'll also give directions in these short videos. It's important to know that this is not a self-paced class. You might find yourself a little bit ahead or a little bit behind, but you'll need to follow the course schedule rather than rushing ahead or trying to do it all at the very end. All of this is normal for a college class, but we also need to be aware of the ongoing pandemic. I'm prepared to be very flexible about assignments, deadlines, and all that within reason. The most important thing is communication, so we can all plan ahead and know what to expect. The purpose of the syllabus, the reading schedule, and this video is to set your expectations for me and my expectations for you. The hope is that once we have those set, we can focus on philosophy and not on the rules or requirements. Now, I have 3 things for you to do. First, take a look at the crash course video lessons about study skills. I really suggest that you watch at least a few of them, especially the ones on taking notes and on strategic reading. This is an introductory course, and that means that I won't be assuming that you have any prior experience with philosophy. But that doesn't mean the course is easy. Think about it. You'll never know less about philosophy than you do right now. So smart reading and note-taking are important skills for the class. Second, I'd like you to read the syllabus for the class and take the short syllabus quiz on Canvas. The quiz is very short, and you can take the quiz as many times as necessary until you get the whole thing correct. Third, watch the next video lesson. It also contains directions for the final part of this first module.